5 steps to align with the universe. Number 1, understand that the invisible rules of life is guided not by just physical laws like gravity or motion, but also by higher spiritual laws. In particular, the elements of fire, air, water, and earth, and the Akasha principle. They all together shape everything in the world and within you. Number 2, recognize these forces in your life. These elements aren't just outside forces, they influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions every day. Understanding their role is the first step to growth. Number 3, balance is key. True spiritual growth comes from balance, not just focusing on one area, but aligning your mind, your emotions, and actions with these universal principles. Number 4, flow with the universal current. When you live in harmony with these laws, life feels natural and effortless, like a river flowing smoothly. With this, your inner abilities start to awaken. Number 5, reach higher and connect to the divine. By balancing these principles, you develop spiritually and move closer to the divine, living with greater peace, purpose, and wisdom. Hello, I'm Fredo, your guide and master of the healing arts. Take care.